COVID-19 pandemic took everybody by storm, and also our Don Bosco Oratory. It put all our schedules out of order. But somehow we came up with very creative ways in helping our youngsters to go through these pandemic days, especially during the lockdown, in a very fruitful and meaningful way. And so we at Don Bosco Oratory, we came up with 5 different campaigns. The first one was Stay Home, Stay Safe. A simple campaign where we told our youngsters about the importance of social distancing, hygiene, of using masks, whatever. And we found it a very fruitful campaign. But it was not enough to stay home, stay safe. We also wanted our youngsters to stay home and stay healthy. And so over the last 80 days, we came up with distribution of food rations on 3 different occasions at 7 different locations for all our youngsters, giving them very nutritious food that would help them to stay home and stay healthy. Our third campaign was to help our youngsters not only to stay home, but to stay home creatively. And we came up with a lot of programs to help them to develop their art, their poetry, their drama, their photography, various skills in football, yoga, drawing, craft, painting. And it was a wonderful experience. So many of them took part. Our fourth campaign came up just before the cyclone, and also during this rainy season. Our youngsters came up with a very novel idea. They came up with a rescue team in various zones, where through the cyclone or during the rainy season, they would help one another to clean the water from their homes, to repair their homes, etc. And so we at Don Bosco came up with this 4th campaign, Stay Home, Happy, Safe Family. And so we provided tarpaulins for a number of families to cover their shacks, their roofs, that would prevent the rain water from coming. And finally today, we are launching this 5th campaign. Everything now is online. Studies, classes are online, and most of our boys and girls come from the slums where there is very poor Wi-Fi connectivity. Most of them do not have smartphones. And so the best way, we said, was help them with this campaign, Stay Home, Study Smart. Thanks to our sponsors who have provided us with a lot of resources to buy these books. So we have bought a lot of books. We are focusing mainly on the 10th and the 12th at this moment, and later on for students of standard 8, 9 and also 11. And so we are happy that today we launched this program, this campaign, Stay Home, Study Smart.
Hello friends, I am Sheikh Fazal. Thank you Don Bosco Oratory for helping me on my studies of 12th standard commerce. Through these Stay Home, Study Smart campaigns, I thank those who have sponsored this noble campaign.
Hello friends, my name is Prabjot Singh, and I came here to say something about the Stay Home and Study Smart campaign. Thank you Don Bosco Oratory for helping me in my studies. Still I am in 9th standard, but I love studies. So through this Stay Home, Study Smart campaign, I will study much more, and I will promise that I will study well and score good marks. I thank those who have sponsored this noble campaign. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Mohammad Nasir Sheikh. Thank you Don Bosco Oratory for helping me to study for my standard 12th Junior College Commerce. Through this Stay Home, Study Smart campaign, I thank those who have sponsored this noble campaign.
Hello friends, I am Divakar. Thank you Don Bosco Oratory for helping me to study my 10th standard. Through this Stay Home, Study Smart campaign, I thank those who have sponsored this noble campaign. Thank you.
Hello friends, I'm Khushi Vesh. Thank you Don Bosco Oratory for helping me to study for my standard 12th. I'm from science stream. Through this Study Home, Study Smart campaign, I thank those who have sponsored this noble campaign.
Hello friends, I am Tanish Bagde. Thank you Don Bosco Oratory for helping me to study for my standard 10th examination. Through this Stay Home Study Smart campaign, I thank those who have sponsored this noble campaign for me.
Hi friends, I am Pawan Samantrai. Thank you Don Bosco Oratory for helping me to study for Standard 12 Junior College Commerce. Through this Stay Home Study Smart campaign, I thank those who helping have sponsored this novel campaign.
Hello dear friends. As all of us know, the Don Bosco Oratory is a place for young people who are underprivileged, young people who have less opportunities in life. During this pandemic of COVID-19, many of our youngsters lacked opportunities to be relevant with their studies. They did not have enough of equipment, enough of facilities to be in touch with the ongoing studies. We at Don Bosco Oratory have launched this campaign, Stay Home, Study Smart. Through this campaign, we have provided opportunity for our youngsters to cope up with their studies. We thank all our sponsors who have come ahead generously and helped us, believed in our cause and supported our cause. Thank you very much. Your prayers, your generosity will definitely help our young people to be up to date with their studies. May God bless each and every one of you.
Many of them will not have the gadgets, but at least they will have the textbooks, the guidebooks, and they will be able to study at home. And we hope that this will be an experience that our youngsters will take forward, that in their youth they learn these campaigns so that later on they become advocates, they carry on these projects when they are older with many other young people who will be living around them. So God bless you. We thank all the sponsors. Thank you very much. With love from Don Bosco Oratory, Provincial House, Matunga, Mumbai.